Are you bald headed? Because if you are, you need to be coming to me, especially if you got a beard. Hey, I'm gonna put you in the game. It's just that simple. What's going on, man? This is your boy D-Pain the Barber, man, and this video is straight fire. If you bald headed and you got a beard, this video is dope, man. Get your popcorn ready. This beard work that I did on this guy, it's crazy. I got a bald head, old school hot towel shave with the beard, enhanced, all of that Rick Ross style. Share this to your bald head daddy or your bald head uncle. Tell them to come see me, man. Hey, let's go ahead and get into this video, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let's jump right into it. Ooh, that boy wavy. Oh.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I'm really excited about this one. Really love the way it turned out. So, all right, we're gonna do a bald head shave. Right now I'm putting some oil on his head. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of my process of like how I do this. I'm not gonna show everything, but I'm gonna show enough because I do teach a class on it. All right, so right there I just put some shave gel on top. Right now I got a hot towel on there, got the steam working, and I want that to loosen up the hair so that way the razor can glide on it really easy. And so if you're not experienced with the razor, please take your time. This takes years of practice and just getting it perfected. All right, respect that razor because it is sharp and it will cut the client. All right, so I'll speed up the video up a little bit just so you guys can see, what I'm doing. Like, you pull the ear down. That way, you don't cut into the top of his ear. And, just letting that razor work. I'm not really pressing too hard up against the skin, which is really important. All right, so you just want to take your time, let the razor do its thing. All right, so and then after this, after I shave his head once with the shave gel, I'm gonna come back with the hot lather, which you'll see that'll be my next step because I'm gonna go over it twice. All right, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video clip right here, and then I'll come back. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna speed this video up. I got the hot lather. I love my hot lather. Sometimes I use the hot lather for like edge ups and like beard lines, especially if the client doesn't want enhancements on his beard. If you're still trying to achieve that crispy line, it's really good to use that hot lather, and then follow up with a hot towel afterwards and then use the razor. And that way you can still get that real crispy look. That's another barber tip. All right here. Now, I don't recommend y'all doing this. My client was falling asleep, but I've been cutting him for so long, like I know exactly what to expect. And so as you can see, he's kind of falling asleep a little bit, but I've been doing it for so long. Don't do this one-handed. Like I'm doing it one-handed. See right here, I'm pulling the skin. If you pay close attention, tighten that. Use your other hand to tighten that skin up. That way that razor won't cut them. So. It's just that I've been doing it for so long, so I just sometimes forget that I want to help people on the education side of it, on the technicality of the technique. So it just takes a while to get to this point to where you can use one hand. And so it's all about the pressure and how fast you're moving. Right here, I'm just doing a rinse on the bald head, just getting everything clean. I'm about to clean his beard. Before I start with the enhancements. He likes his beard enhanced, and then he likes it tapered at the top of his beard as well. And so right here is just part of one of my grooming services that I offer. So my clients like to book that stuff. They like to relax. And right here, just use my magic clips, nothing too special. Just opening up my blade and work my way to close, and I put my one guard on right here. And I'm gonna put my 16th guard on as well, just till I get it to where it's blended out nice enough for me. So just switch it to the 1/16, just making sure that everything is blended. And then at the end, I'll clean up the loose ends on this beard and get it all neat. But right here, I'm adding Kiss Color Express. That's what I'm using. I'm using darkest brown, and I'm not using black because it looks too weird to me on the skin. And then what I like to do is brush it in. So I get the baseline and I just brush it in. Really simple and easy. Nothing really too hard about it. And then I follow up with the razor. And so depending on the client skin and texture, if I will add gel at the top of the beard as far as using a razor, or I'll use the dry razor. Right here, I dry razor them because I like the look that it gives at the end. And you gotta really watch your pressure because you don't wanna scar up the client. But if you're new and you're a beginner, put some shave gel on it and then wipe it down with a towel before you put the razor on there. Till you get more experience, just use that method. Other than that, you can dry shave as well. Just make sure you pull that skin tight and take your time. See how that's coming out? It's looking good. With that Rick Ross style. The beards are a big thing. Right here, I just see a spot, and I asked him to blow his cheek up so he can make it tight. That way I can make sure that it's sharp. Right here, I'm using my pick just to comb it all the way out. And he doesn't want it too close to his face. He just wanted to clean it up. So that's what I did. And just let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. Let me know if y'all like this video. I made this one pretty short. I didn't want to make it too long and drawn out. Please like, please share, please hit the notification bell. Your boy need it, man. Follow me on Instagram as well at the D'Angelo Payne. And I got a lot more videos on there as well. Ooh, look at that beard, it's coming out real nice. I like that. We gotta show the bald people love too. You know what I'm saying? They can still come to the barbershop and get cleaned up really nice and still get groomed. You know what I mean? We gotta make sure that that's more money, that's more income. Finishing them up right here. And if you look at the bottom of his chin too, I missed a piece, but I'm gonna go back at the end and clean it up. All right, right there, yep. All right, there you have it. You got it before and after, man. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching this video, man. I appreciate y'all, man. See y'all in the next.